It seems like I'm the only person that this S25 Ultra's magic editing doesn't work, because I've been trying it and it hasn't worked for me. Maybe because I'm ugly, so you guys should let me know. Just see the result it's going to get. It's going to tell me that it's not valid for some weird reason. I have zero ideas. Let's try it again. Let me take another picture and see. Maybe it's because of the way my head is big. Let me take another picture now and see if it's going to work. Now we open the app, click edit, then the generative edit to remove my hand, and let's see if we're going to see any results. So let's erase and see. Honestly, at this point I'm just going to say it's because of my glasses. So guys, let me know what do you think is wrong with my S25 Ultra. Just to be sure that this is not an issue, let me remove my watch and take a picture and try to see if removing my hand without the pictures would help, because most people online, I don't think they were wearing watches when they removed their own. So let's see. I'm still getting errors. Now wow, what the? So let me take a picture of my hand and see maybe if it's going to remove my watch, because as no one come on my face, make I see if it will come on my Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So I take the picture, circle the watch, then I generate. So if it removes the watch from my hand, it means I'm just ugly. God, I beg you. Omo, they work cool. Hey, voila. Sha go be the first person where this AI thing no work for. Wow. Come on. I'll go sell this 25 Ultra. If you want to get it, let us know in the comments. Or go pass. You never disappoint.